Hello and welcome to the Daily Trade. It's Steven here. It's about 12:30, so just about halfway through Monday's June 14th trading day. I have an exciting ETF to talk about today, so let's get started. So today's focus is the S&P Aerospace and Defense ETF, XAR. It is a SPDR ETF. So the checklist, we want to take a look at the max chart for XAR, its 1-year chart. Look at its 50 and 200-day simple moving average, as well as any resistance levels and support levels. Any significant candles that we can spot. If we can't spot too many in this chart, we'll take a look at any candles to look for in upcoming days. So the historical chart. Pretty nice looking long run chart here. We'll see that we have a nice upward direction here. We go into some congestion here, upwards here for a while, and some congestion, then a run down. More recently, we're looking at an uptrend following this hammer, and then eventually some confirmation a few days later that comes. So the 1-year chart for XAR. Red is 50-day simple moving average. Blue line is the 20-day simple moving average. And the turquoise line is the 200-day simple moving average. So since this hammer that we see down here, there's a hammer. Whoops. Hammer is right here. We get some nice confirmation. Goes up above its 20-day simple moving average as well as its 50. And eventually here it goes above its 200. This 20-day simple moving average, it should be pretty obvious that whenever it hits that and tests that 20-day, it bounces off of it, and it's been doing that for quite a while now. A good sign and a bullish indicator, bullish sign of strength. So more recently, we've seen some struggles today. This Monday's June 14th trading with this candle here. It fell through its 20 day simple moving average. So what do we look for now? Well, the 50-day is moving up, and what I want to see is a bullish reversal indicator. And so what that might include are three different bullish reversal indicators to look for. First off, we got the bullish engulfing pattern. So let's say we get some form of this as a close for today's trading. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we want to see it gap down, and then we want to see it finish above the open or the high point for what will be today's candle. And another bullish reversal indicator is the piercing pattern. So Tuesday we want to end up with a green candle that forms by first gapping down, then finishing above what will be Monday's candle above its 50% mark of 50% part of the red body. Another bullish reversal indicator to look for is the hammer. So we'd like to see ideally gapping down, so opening lower than the previous day's close. So we're talking, if this green candle is Tuesday, we'd want to see it open lower than Monday's close. And we want to see it gap down like we said. Bears continue to put pressure, but then the Bulls show a sign of strength and end up actually finishing above uh, where it uh, where it opened up for a nice green body for that day. Obviously, we want to have confirmation, so that could be depending on how conservative you are. That's one form of confirmation. Could be um, the next day a gap up. So Wednesday seeing a gap up at the open, and then just having a green body for Wednesday. Or depending on how conservative you are, you might want to see that entire green body be this, above this red body here. Alright, so today's sources, the charts and business summary, came from yahoofinance.com. Questions, comments, feedback, I would love to hear from you. Do send me an email with any questions to thedailytrade16@gmail.com. Be sure to follow me on Twitter @thedailytrade16 for the latest updates about the stock market. Have an incredible Monday, everyone, and happy trading.